Did you know you're able to check out up to 100 library books with your library card? Hello, I'm Teresa, a public services specialist at the Redmond Library. I'm going to walk you through some tips and tricks on how to use the library's checkout stations. Checkout stations are automated service kiosks for checking out library materials and viewing your personal account. Kiosks are found at all library locations throughout Deschutes County. Begin by scanning or entering your library card number followed by your PIN. Confirm that you want to check out your items and place 4 items at a time on the sensor pad. Items will appear on the display screen with a green check mark once they are registered using an RFID tag located on each item. Continue checking out by selecting Finish. You can choose to have a receipt printed, emailed, or no receipt. Library staff are available to assist you with questions or a demonstration next time you visit. Don't forget to download our Deschutes Public Library mobile app to get reminders on materials, due dates, access a digital version of your library card, and to search our catalog for your next great read.